Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is February the 8th, 2022. Let's talk about Avalanche today. Let's figure out whether or not this particular cryptocurrency is going to continue to skyrocket. Is it going to continue to skyrocket? Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. You guys can see it on the screen right now. I do price prediction without the confusion. You guys can see from our last video, I was preparing everyone who saw the video that Avalanche was a little weak and that we were playing the weakness to the downside and looking for the price to go down, and that's exactly what happened. So I'm going to talk about what I look forward to now in Avalanche. Are we going to continue to see the price elevated? Because obviously you guys can see on the screen, price has gone back up, but what now? I'm going to speak on that today. But before I do, hit that like button, share the video, also subscribe here to the channel, tap that bell notification, join me on all my other social media platforms because I do place a lot of other content there as well, and I don't want you all to miss out. I try to inform and educate our community as to how this game is really being played without all the confusion. All right, so check this out. The 19th of January was the last video. Now for me, I'm fully transparent. All of my price predictions are placed in a playlist on my YouTube channel. So if you guys haven't seen my last video on the 19th of January, go back and check it out. Yeah, it's still there. And you guys can actually see what was said on that particular day as to where Avalanche is going to go. But you guys can see what the price has already did, or what it has done already. Look at that, 15.89% literally happened in 2 days. It didn't take long for our price prediction to come to pass. In fact, price came all the way down here to 55, almost $56 in Avalanche. That would give you 32, almost 33%. Pretty good call. Now that's done. That is over. And there's one thing I really want us to emphasize on today's video, right? You guys can see that something is going on today that we need to be paying attention to. Can you see it? What do you think is going on into the market today that will kind of make your head perk up and say, okay, something, I need to be paying attention to this. This could actually be stopping the progressional movement of Avalanche. Do you see it? All right, cool. Let me show it to you. Right there. Take a look at price action today. Is this not a coincidence that this market in Avalanche is getting hit with a whole lot of volume? Look at this. Look at all that volume that is coming in today in the market. On top of us getting rejected on this downtrend line. This is not a coincidence. You have to believe what is going on these price charts to grasp and see where price is trying to go. For us to see this high volume, and for us to see the price closing off of the highs right now, it tells me that there's more people in the market selling Avalanche as we saw price hit $96. It shows us that this market is pumping brakes right here on this descending line. And it lets us know that we're not going to go no higher until we see the price in Avalanche break it to the upside. We have to see the market overcome this downtrend line. We got to break out of it in order for us to really see a substantive movement higher. We're not seeing that right now. In fact, what we're seeing is more selling coming into the market in Avalanche. So already on this particular video, we should not be fully invested in thinking that the price is going to go massively high right now. The market is speaking to us today right now and is telling us that, yeah, we're going through some selling right now. Okay, cool. We got it. The market is telling us that selling is currently going on. Given that that's the case, we got a support area, right? We have a spot to which the market in Avalanche was able to come in and grab support. And it's right there around $80, maybe a little bit lower. Check this out. Could it be this? Take a look at that. So we have a trend. You guys can see we're creating this massive triangle in Avalanche. So these two lines is the battleground. Yeah, these two lines is the determinant, letting us know what needs to happen as price approaches these lines. So in order for us to see price continue to go up in Avalanche, guess what? The buyers will have to take out this descending line. So we're looking for sellers to come here on this descending line, and we're looking for the buyers to come down there. This is their job. This is their function, is to not break these lines. So we have buyers here, okay? And then we got sellers here. And their job is to make sure that price doesn't break above or below each respective line. So right now, yeah, the sellers are actually doing a pretty good job of not letting this price break outside of this descending line. Just like the buyers did a fantastic job of not letting price break below this ascending line. It's all simple. So our function is going to be what the price reacts or how it trades in this area there. Okay. So let me show you what's going on a 2-day time frame into the market in Avalanche. And you all can see that, yeah, we've been seeing the market pretty good. But now we understand that the weakness is also appearing on this current 2-day price bar, which is why I want us to show you $80 is where the buyers need to maintain this selling in order for us to know whether or not we're going to break that descending line to the upside. Look at this on the 3-day. So again, take a look at that. What do you think? We're going to continue to go up, or are we going to start to break down in Avalanche price? What do you think? Initially, we could see the price in Avalanche come down slightly, but maybe to that $80 price level, we could see the market in Avalanche come towards. Now, this is on the 5-day time frame, okay, that we can see the market in Avalanche actually come down towards. So now, let's go ahead and see this on a 2-day time frame. I think I had my mic muted, so I wanted to go ahead and just reiterate what I was saying, as you all probably didn't hear it. So what I was saying was that the buyers are doing a pretty good job, but the sellers are here. And I was trying to reiterate that the market needs to hold $80. This is where it's at. If the buyers are not able to hold price in Avalanche right here around $80, we understand that this price is going to go down. And it's going to come down to this ascending line. Okay. And you guys can see a little bit better right here on the 3-day. So this is where the battle is going to be waged. This is where the buyers need to be successful at not letting price break below. Okay. So taking this back over to the hourly time frame real quick. You guys can see with all this high volume that is coming through right here, that the market in Avalanche is getting hit with some selling. That's why price is coming down right now on an hourly basis. Like I was saying in the initial stage, yes, we can prepare for this price in Avalanche to come down, which is why I wanted us to pay attention to around $80. So I can actually see two areas, 84 and 80. So from an hourly basis, yeah, we can see the price in Avalanche come down slightly. Okay. So let's see what we have if we were to expect the market to come down to 84. That's another 3% movement to the downside, right? Not bad. But given how we've seen a very good up move occurring to the market in Avalanche, I mean, at some point, we need to expect the price to come back down. I mean, coming all the way back here to January, the market has saw or is seen at least 60% increase, at least. Yeah, we saw the market from the ending of January to the current period today in February, 60% move higher. Now, we ultimately saw it come all the way up here to 95, which is 75%. So it was a good run. I mean, we cannot deny that. It's a very good run that we saw into the market in Avalanche. I just think that we got a little bit of movement to the downside to go through. So let me show you what I got. Let me go ahead and put this price prediction on this chart real quick. Okay. And I'm going to play some weakness, but it's not going to be extreme. Not yet. Okay. I have $84, ultimately $80 that we can see the market in Avalanche come towards. That's only 8.25%. Like I said, I'm not going to be massively bearish into this currency right now, but we have to be prepared to play both sides. This is the only way that we're able to win. And if the market in Avalanche is not able to hold $80, I'm going to bring it all the way back down to 76. Okay. So check this out. This is the area of contention. This is the battleground. And right now the sellers are winning. So I'm going to play that end of the prediction, but it doesn't mean from a weekly perspective that the market in Avalanche is not going to break outside of this descending line. I just want to prepare you all for that. I'm just showing you what the market is giving me right now. And right now it's showing me that it's weak. Now, as always, I got the comment section open. You guys can hit me up and tell me, what do you all think though? I mean, where's the price in Avalanche headed outside of what I'm showing you? What do you think? Drop me your price prediction real quick and let me know what is your price targets. All right. You guys see mine. So now I want to know what yours are. Make sure you maintain profitability. And as always, trade different.